Hey, we have planned for the quiz this week, right?
Yeah.
I could already see the preparations. Can I know those questions?
No, I'm not going to show you the questions. What if you say to Geeti, I want to win this quiz. Yay!
Hey, I saw Harry preparing questions for the quiz. What's up with you?
Even I started preparing, but I won't show you.
3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Insist Z2A.
Today we have Geetika Nala here and we planned of doing some funny quiz and some special tasks which is very funny. So let's get into the video and see how much are you going to enjoy along with us. So will you start first or do I need to start?
You should start first.
Okay, so the first question would be a math puzzle. I don't say it's a puzzle, but you have some 15 seconds of time. Okay, and you have to answer this. The question is 100 minus 27 minus 45 plus 8, and your time starts now. Do you want me to repeat the question?
Yeah.
100 minus 27 minus 45 plus 8.
I think the answer is 36.
Oh my god, that's correct answer. Yeah. Your turn now.
Okay. The same. Even I am going to ask you the maths puzzle.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
1 plus 1
Okay.
into 12
Okay.
plus 5
Okay.
minus 2
Okay.
into 2.
54.
Yeah, it's correct.
Oh my god, yay. So, 1 point each.
Okay.
And next question is,
What are these?
if you say the answer wrong, you have to pick one and do the task. Okay.
Maybe I don't get the more tasks.
Next question is, difference between idli and pongal.
Idli is made with steam and pongal is made in kadai.
No, some funny answers. What is idli for you? It's a snack or breakfast? or
It's a
something?
breakfast.
Okay, what is pongal?
Even it's a breakfast.
But do you have something else with name pongal?
I don't know.
Are you losing it? Okay, come on.
I don't have any answer. Pongal is made in Pongal. Pongal is usually made in festivals like Sankranti.
No, answer is wrong. Should I answer it?
Yeah.
Idli is a breakfast while pongal is a festival. You have 3 days of festivals, right?
This is cheating.
This is a funny riddle.
I don't accept it.
But you have to do a task.
Should I?
Yeah.
Pick one. What is that?
Eat ginger.
Yay! You have ginger ready. Come on. We have a bowl and you have ginger. Take it. Okay, you're done, right? She's done with eating ginger. Next, it's your turn now. Yeah.
Should I tear this or shall I
You
mix
just put
it?
it aside and we'll have some other task. Next. Yeah.
Coming to the capitals.
Okay.
Now, can I know what is the capital of Russia?
Oh my god. Oh, I don't know that.
I think you should answer this.
I'm sorry, I'm losing it, I think.
Your time, your countdown starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You lost it. Okay,
What
do
is
it.
the answer?
Moscow.
Oh shit. No, I'm gonna take a small one. Oh my god, I have to take off my makeup. makeup. How do I sit in the video if I take off my makeup?
Oh,
Shit.
you should do this.
I will do, but I have to get a cotton right now.
So I got some cotton here and I have to remove my makeup. Do you want me to remove my lipstick as well or just the cream? No, even lipstick. Lipstick too? No, okay, lipstick is exemption. Okay. I'm done. See here. There is little cream, right? Okay, done.
Okay, as you asked me a capital question, I am also going to ask you the same. What is the capital of Jharkhand?
Jharkhand, Bihar.
No, that's the wrong one. Check.
Ranchi.
Yeah, that's right answer. Yay!
Point.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So, who goes next? You.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now, should I ask a movie question?
Go ahead. I wish I answered this.
I'm going to ask a dialogue.
Okay.
And you should say the movie name.
Sure. Done.
Mukke kadan píkeste pika costa. Which
It's
movie?
my favorite heroes movie.
But you know the answer.
Yeah, that's Indra.
You have
and
one.
hero is Chiranjeevi, right?
Okay.
A point for me. Okay. We will have a small logo quiz.
Okay.
I'll show you a picture and you have to answer it. Okay? You have to answer
Yeah.
2 logos at least.
Nike, McD,
Okay?
Twitter,
Uh,
and this is Hello Kitty.
oh, right. Correct.
I answered the 4, so I should get 2 points.
No,
One
one
extra
point. No. If you have four logos, then give me 4.
Please.
Okay, one
Give
more
me one
extra
answer.
point. Okay, I can give you exemption in the tasks. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Which famous personality said, "One people, one state, one leader" was the policy of?
I think it's Nelson Mandela.
No.
What is that?
Hitler. Yeah, it's correct.
Yay, I did it! I'm really happy I know something. I'm getting 1 point.
Yeah,
Okay?
you should.
So the next question is, it's very easy. I think you are so much aware of it. Name any 5 handbag brands.
Okay, one Gucci, Michael Kors, Calvin Klein,
Okay. 2 more to go.
Calvin Klein, Woodland.
Okay. 1 more to go. Fast. 5, 4, 3.
Wait.
Two.
Wait. Louis Vuitton.
Oh, correct. I thought you would not answer it, but correct. Okay, so here you go next. Okay.
Even I want to ask you a question related to brands.
Okay.
Can you say which brand is this?
Hey, this is Jimmy Choo.
Yeah, you're correct.
Oh my god, thank you. Okay, so I go next.
Yeah.
You have 30 seconds of time. Okay. Say me the main ingredients. I will start the timer. 1 minute.
I'm very poor in this type of
I
questions.
know you are very good at cooking, so let me ask you. What are the main ingredients in Szechuan noodles? You
Okay,
can start now.
one noodles, Szechuan sauce, salt, pepper, soya sauce, chili sauce, vinegar,
Mhm.
cabbage. No, I think we'll not add cabbage.
You still have 13 seconds, like 10 seconds. You can go if you want to add more.
Soya sauce, vinegar. I think these are the main ingredients.
Okay, time up. Almost all are correct, so I'm giving it to you.
Okay, thank you.
I know you're a good cook, so I have to give it to you. Am I adding 1 more point for you? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are done with 6 questions. We still have 4 more questions to go. And are you enjoying this?
Hope you enjoy.
Okay. Next question goes, Geeti, you have to ask.
Yeah, I should ask you a question.
Correct. Are you guys having some fun? did you realize that these questions are?
I'm going to ask you a tongue
Okay.
twister.
Oh my god. Okay.
You should say this tongue twister correctly in around 20 seconds.
Okay. Show me this. If you must cross a coarse cross cow across a crowded cow crossing, cross the coarse cow across the crowded cow crossing carefully. My god, this is tough. Should I start again?
No, you have done almost correct.
But I don't get any task, right?
Okay. I'm giving you an exemption.
Okay, let me take a task.
Yeah, okay. That's your wish.
But because I'm not satisfied with what I said, so I'll go with one task. I have to do 10 squats.
Yeah.
Give me some exemption because I said almost 90%.
Okay, 2 squats.
Go.
No, 2 not. 5. 5, okay.
Okay. Now I have to do squats. My god. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And 5. I'm done. I'm not showing you any puzzles, but I'll just ask you a question. Like hero, heroine, you have to name a movie. Okay, so Vijay Deverakonda plus Kirti Suresh. Which movie is that?
Hey, Mahanati.
Oh my god, this is correct answer. Yay! She wins a point.
I'm very poor in movie knowledge, but somehow I tried it.
Because you're a fan of Vijay Deverakonda, right?
Only
For few movies.
okay, yeah.
Okay, that's true to you.
I want to ask you a photo puzzle.
Okay, go ahead.
You should answer this emoji, and behind this emoji there is a country's name.
Okay.
I think you can answer this. Your time
Starts
now.
Okay.
10,
This is Thai and this is something
9,
else.
8,
What is this?
7,
What is this?
6.
Thailand. Sorry, Thailand.
Yeah,
Okay.
you're correct.
Thank you. I got 1 point. Yay! So I have to ask you next question. You have a tongue twister in Telugu right now. Okay? It goes
I'll
like
try.
this. రెండు ఎర్ర లారీలు 4 నల్ల లారీలు. Should I repeat the tongue twister
Yeah.
again? You have to say this 5 times, okay? Without any hitches.
Okay.
రెండు ఎర్ర లారీలు 4 నల్ల లారీలు. Very fast.
2 ఎర్ర లారీలు, 4 నల్ల లారీలు.
Fast, fast,
రెండు ఎర్ర లారీలు, 4 నల్ల లారీలు.
Fast.
రెండు
I think this is funniest. Okay, go ahead.
2 ఎర్ర లారీలు, 4 నల్ల లారీలు.
Okay.
2 ఎర్ర లారీలు, 4 నల్ల లారీలు. 2 ఎర్ర లారీలు, 4 నల్ల లారీలు. I have done it 5 times.
But it is not so fast. I wanted you to take a task. There is no exemption.
Please. I have done my best.
Yeah, but still it's not satisfied. Please. What is that? What is that? What is that? Do a plank. Oh my god, you have to do a plank for 30 seconds. So as you have some exemptions from me, I would say you do it for 10 seconds. Go ahead.
Doing a plank challenge.
అనుకున్నదొక్కటి
10, 9, 8,
అయినది
7,
ఒక్కటి
6,
బోల్తా
5,
కొట్టిందిలే
4, 3,
బుల్బుల్ పిట్ట.
and you're done. Okay, now it's my turn.
Okay.
I'm going to ask you an movie name,
Okay.
which is
Is
behind
it
an
old?
emoji. No, it's not an old and it's not a modern one. I think you can answer this.
I'll try my best. 100. Oh my god, what is this?
Your time starts now. Your countdown starts now.
I
It
want
is
the
for
15 seconds
10
first.
seconds. No. 50
Okay.
seconds it's more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
What is this
3,
movie related to? At least give me a hint.
2.
Hint.
It's about a family.
Okay.
2,
What is this?
1.5,
Oh my god, no, I want a hint. At least
1.25,
Hero.
Sharvanan, 1.25. What?
Shathamanam Bhavati.
No.
Shathamanam Bhavati.
Shatmanam Bhavati.
Yeah, I answered it.
I think you should do a task.
Oh my god, no.
Because 90% of the answer I have said you.
Okay, I will choose one. I have to sing a song. Which song do I
Do you
sing?
remember when you are in childhood you used to sing Maunam Gani? Okay,
Do you want to
I
sing
think you
that?
should sing that.
Okay, I'll try, but I don't remember the lyrics. మౌనంగానే ఎదగమని మొక్క నీకు చెబుతుంది ఎదిగిన కొద్దీ వదగమని అర్థమందులో ఉంది అపజయాలు కలిగిన చోటే గెలుపు పిలుపు వినిపిస్తుంది ఆకులన్నీ రాలిన చోటే కొత్త చిగురు కనిపిస్తుంది. How did I do that? Oh my
Excellent.
God. Thank you so much. So we have one more question for you on general knowledge. Okay. So who is the CEO of Amazon? Remember? You know it, the bald head guy. You used to talk to me about him.
Satya.
No. The bald head guy who had a lot of millions. He's the first billionaire also. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Are you losing it? 4, 3. Are you done? You don't have an answer for that?
I don't
2, 1, 0. So I'm answering it. It's Jeff Bezos. It's something you now did it hit in your mind? No, you did not get. No. Go for a task.
Should I?
Yeah. You have to pick one.
Actually, you said that you'll give me some
I already
consumption
gave
task.
an exemption for plank, so there is no exemption. Please go ahead.
Should there's no plank challenge for me?
There is a plank challenge, but I have given for 10 seconds, so no exemptions anymore.
Do not breathe for 1 minute.
Yay! Go ahead. Okay,
1 minute is
starting the
more, I think.
timer. No, you can go for it.
Okay, at least for half 30
45
seconds.
seconds.
45.
Okay, start. Show the timer. 40 seconds more. Timer. She's still there.
Is the timer completed?
23 seconds more.
Huh? Okay. Is the time over?
No, not yet. And you're done. How can we be without breathing for a second? But you have to be.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's because I'm great.
Oh god, for 45 seconds. Okay. Next turn.
Yeah.
Yours.
Yeah.
I think that's the last question.
Yeah.
Or do you have one more question?
Yeah.
Do you have something in the phone?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Still now, did you enjoy our video? If yes, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Emphasis. See you today. What is
Can you
that?
answer me this?
What is that?
There is a country behind this. It's an South American country.
Is it Brazil?
No.
Argentina?
No.
What is this?
South American country.
Oh no, I don't know this.
Celeste.
Argentina, Brazil, what else are there in South American countries?
I think your time is up. The
Oh.
answer is Chile.
Oh, child. My god, I lost it.
Child.
I have to do a task.
Yeah, you should do a task.
Shit. Okay, my task is eat a chili. I have to eat a chili. My god. Okay, I have a bowl with chili. Can you see it?
I know the chilies are so spicy at home, so I had to eat. I know this is a chili task. Oh my god, it's so spicy! How do people eat chilies, man? This is so spicy.
the chili. Yay! Okay. Any more questions to ask?
No, I don't have any questions to ask.
Okay, I have one last question. That is a movie related one.
Okay.
So it's very easy. I think you remember it. If you help 3 people, those 3 people will help the other 3 people. So the chain continues. Which movie is this concept related to?
I think it's talent.
That's the right answer. Yay! Okay. So do you have any more questions for
No,
me?
I don't have.
So the winner of the quiz is Geetika Nala, and I am going to give her a small gift, which is not sponsored, which is by my own, and I have a small teddy here. Yay.
Thank you.
Okay, so I think or I hope you guys like this video so much and enjoyed along with us. So please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and sis Z2